Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I will be showing you a behind the scenes that I did while visiting Mexico with my friends in Akumal, Mexico. I used the carved portion of the tree to get some sitting shots that I thought were very unique and different. I used my Canon 6D mirrorless camera body and a 1.4 50mm lens. I also found a fruit and I decided to take some really close-up shots with using the fruit as a prop. And so we were able to get some really nice shots here. I loved this area. I also love taking shots that are just more lifestyle, where the model is just running free. I use my friend as a model. I just love seeing like more of like the running shots, the walking shots. And I hope you guys enjoyed this short little tutorial. Let me know what your favorite shots were in the comments below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.